If you want to stop recurring charges on Binance, follow these simple steps to manage your subscriptions effectively. This guide will help you navigate the platform and cancel any unwanted recurring payments. Step 1. Log into your Binance account. Visit the Binance website or open the Binance app. Then enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to the wallet section. Once logged in, locate the wallet option in the main menu. Click on it to view your wallet overview, where you can manage your assets and subscriptions. Step 3. Access the subscription management. In the wallet section, look for an option labeled recurring payments or subscriptions. Click on this to see a list of all active recurring charges associated with your account. Step 4. Identify the subscription to cancel. Review the list of subscriptions and find the one you wish to cancel. Click on it to view more details about the payment, including the next billing date and amount. Step 5. Cancel the subscription. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the issue.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. After completing these steps, you will have successfully cancelled the recurring charges on Binance. Regularly check your subscriptions to ensure no unwanted payments are being processed in the future.